Hi, Ann. Looking happy today?
Yeah, I just got done with transferring money to the UK for my sister's university fees. And you know what? They did the money transfer within 5 days. Also, they told that they gave me the best exchange rate.
Wait. First of all, any money transfers from India should just take 4 to 48 working hours. So your bank was not fast. They were actually slow.
Ooh.
And what is the rate you got?
130 rupees this Monday.
But the GBP rate that day was just rupees 109. So they collected 4 rupees extra per GBP transferred.
Just 4 rupees, right? What's the big deal?
How much did you send by the way?
10,000 pounds.
Well, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but they collected 40,000 rupees from you extra as charges. Your sister could have used that money to pay 1 month's rent there. If you don't want to experience the same sadness that Anne is going through, you've got to be vigilant, you've got to be informed, and you've got to know how money transfer from India to UK works. Hello everyone, I'm Subhash from ExTravelMoney.com. In today's video, we will be discussing how you can send money to the UK, the documents you need, the charges you should be aware of, and how you can complete the transfer fast and at the lowest cost. So watch the video till the end. Options to transfer money to the UK from India. Basically, you can go to your bank or a licensed money changer. They both are authorized by RBI to transfer money abroad from India. Both these options make use of wire transfer to send money abroad. So no matter which option you choose, the transfer method is the same and they're all equally safe. So let's look at the charges on money transfer to the UK. Exchange rate. This will be the exchange rate quoted by your money transfer provider. It won't be the same rate that you see on Google. A margin will be added on top of it. The lower this margin, the better for you. Service fee. This is charged by your service provider. This could be a fixed fee or a percentage of the transfer, or even zero. It depends on whom you choose for your money transfer needs. GST, 18%. Don't get scared by this huge number. The final GST you have to pay is actually pretty minimal. Here is a table showing the GST amount you can expect to pay based on how much money you are transferring abroad. You can read our article, Tax on Foreign Exchange Transactions in India, to know about GST in detail. TCS, Tax Collector Resource. This tax is collected at the moment of sending money abroad and later can be adjusted against your tax liability. If you don't have to pay any tax, this will be fully refunded to you when filing IT returns. Here, take a look at this table showing the TCS rates. To know more about TCS, read our article, TCS on Money Transfer Abroad from India. Intermediary bank fee. When transferring money abroad, an intermediary bank helps route the money from sending bank to the beneficiary bank. For this service, it takes a charge which could be up to £25 for transfers to the UK. Beneficiary bank fee. Sometimes the beneficiary's bank may charge a fee to credit the amount to the beneficiary. Not all banks take this charge. Usually, it will be up to £20 in the UK. Now, let's take a look at valid purposes for sending money abroad. Can a person send money overseas from India freely for any reason without any restrictions? The answer is a big no. You are allowed to make international transfers only for the purposes listed by RBI, such as overseas education. This could be university fee payment, sending money for the living expenses of an Indian student abroad, or transferring funds into a GIC account or blocked account. Maintenance of close relatives abroad. These are the permissible close relatives as per RBI. Gift remittance. You can use gift remittance for sending money to your friends and also your relatives, including close relatives. NRI repatriation. This is when an NRI transfers their fund from India to their country of residence. International tour remittances. This refers to sending money from India to a tour agency abroad to purchase their tour package, lodging, or other services associated with an international trip. Beneficiary details required for UK transfer. When sending money to the UK, make sure you have the following beneficiary details ready. Beneficiary name and address in the UK as given in their bank account, IBAN number and sort code, beneficiary account number, and beneficiary bank name and branch address. Documents required for international remittance. The documents required changed based on the purpose of the transfer. Usually, these documents are always needed. A government issued photo ID of the sender. This could be a passport, voter's ID, or Aadhaar card. PAN card copy of the sender. Filled A2 form and declaration signed by the sender. So here, take a look at the documents required based on the purpose. Step-by-step guide to sending money from India to the UK. Here I'm going to show you how you can send money from India to the UK using ExTravelMoney. We are an aggregator of forex services provided by RBI authorized banks and exchange houses in India. Go to ExTravelMoney.com. Enter your money transfer requirements. Choose your location in India. Compare rates and choose one of the shown options. This could be an exchange house or a bank. Review the transfer summary and choose the payment method. Upload your KYC documents such as ID proof, PAN card, A2 form and any other required documents as per the purpose of transfer. Once the order has been confirmed, initiate payment by transferring money in INR to your chosen service provider. They will wire transfer the money to your beneficiary in the UK as pounds. Get the SWIFT copy, which is proof of transfer. Your beneficiary in UK will get the funds within 4 to 48 working hours. That's it. An easy and cost-effective way to transfer money to the UK. How much can you send to the UK? Maximum of USD 250,000 equivalent in a financial year. In GBP, this would be roughly around 198,200 GBP at the current exchange. For NRIs, there is no limit on remittances from an NRE or FCNR account. If it is an NRO account, then no limit for remittances from current income. For other income sources, it is USD 1 million equivalent per financial year, which comes to 7,92,930 GBP at the current exchange rate. Time taken for transfer. Since all options use the same method, that is wire transfer, the time taken is also similar, with most transfers taking 4 to 48 working hours. However, there could be a delay if the chosen service provider in India is taking too long to verify the KYC documents, or if there is a mismatch in the beneficiary details provided. Common mistakes you should watch out for. If you are the sender, make sure that your PAN and Aadhaar are linked. It is mandatory rule for transferring money abroad. When filling in your A2 form, correctly declare all the forex transactions done in the current financial year. This is used to ensure that the total of foreign exchange bought and or transfer abroad by you is below USD 250,000 equivalent in INR. And also check if you have hit the TCS free limit. Double check beneficiary details such as their name. It should be the same as in the beneficiary passport and in their abroad account details. Be very careful when typing the correct beneficiary account number and code. Tips to save on your money transfer. Don't just focus on transfer fees. Check the exchange rate. Compare exchange rate across different providers. You can use platforms like ExTravelMoney.com as we are an aggregator of banks and RBI authorized money changers. Negotiate where possible. You'll be surprised to know that not all banks or money transfer services have a fixed exchange rate. On negotiating, sometimes your provider may give you a better deal. So that's everything you need to know about sending money from India to the UK. If you found this video helpful, please like and share the video. If you want more such updates on international remittance and currency exchange, subscribe to our channel. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.